Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high memory, CPU, or RAM usage here on Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's just go ahead and open up Task Manager. Right click here on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Okay. Now go ahead and find the Details tab. Click on it. Now go ahead and disable or end any of the services or task right here that you don't actually need. Okay, for example, you don't need Discord or Xbox app. Just right click on it and hit on add task and do the same with any other services right here or processes. Okay, once that's done, your performance right here, your memory and also CPU should perform better. Okay, if you're not quite happy with the result, you can go ahead and download this particular software, which is called Wise Memory Optimizer. Okay, you can go ahead and open up your favorite browser like so, then type in Wise Memory Optimizer. Okay, hit on enter, click on the first search result, which is from Wise Cleaner, and click on free download. Okay, download page will pop up. Go ahead and save it wherever you want. Save. Wait for the download process to finish, and there you go. Just click on it to open up the installer, and that will be a prompt. Just click on yes. Here we have the installer. Just select accept, next, and then hit on install. Okay, once that's done, you will have this software. So double click on it. There'll be a pop-up once more. Just click on yes, and just click on optimize. As you can see here, my memory is currently at 41%. And we're going to go ahead and double check it on the task manager, 41% as well. So I'm going to move it right here just for you to see. Then the Wise Memory Optimizer. Optimize, wait for it. As you can see here, it's moving down. And it's now on 26, 24, 22%, 20. There you go. That's basically it. From 41, now at 19. You can now go ahead and close this one, but don't worry, it will just run in the background and it's not memory hungry. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.